So here is the store we have created for our group. It's called Sugarsprout, and this is basically the domain of the store. It's called Sugarsprout.store. So if I just click on this, it takes me to the homepage of Sugarsprout, and this is basically the outlay or the design of the whole store. So basically, what this does is like we sell basically delicacies, sweet delicacies from around the world. So we have added like 4 5 countries, from like a collection of 4 5 countries from where like a user could actually like order the sweet dish from, like the authentic taste of that particular country actually comes here. So on top of this website, this is basically like a coupon for each and every person who first actually orders from the store. So if they apply the coupon first 20, they will get 20% off on their first order. So this is only one time coupon code. So one like the person who has already ordered from the store cannot apply this code again. Then we have like the header of the whole store. So we have like these menu items over here. So the home page, this is the one. Then the menu page, orders, hampers, about us, login. So I will go through everything one step by step, and then we have like the currency selector. So one could also select the currency. Then we have like the search button, so they can like basically search across the store. And then we have like the account button, from where could one person can actually like log into their account. And then we have like the cart page. Now I will go through the home page first of all, and then we will switch to other pages. So on top we have like a slideshow over here. It basically shows different like images and everything about like brief about what we actually sell at the store. And then we have like a random collection of products on the store over here. So one can easily like click on add to cart over here. The product gets added to cart, and they can basically check out from here. So we will move on to checkout page later, but let's first of all go to the home page only. So this is the home page. Here we have the products, the price is displayed over here, and then below it, then we have like a rough about us section, which basically displays like what our store is, like what we actually provide to people, what do we sell. And then we have like the select country option. So we have like 5 countries over here one could actually select from. So India, Morocco, Japan, Mexico, and Italy we have over here. And then we have like an indication for person to subscribe to a newsletter, but we didn't want to actually like make the other person like directly subscribe to the newsletter, because it is not that appealing. So we ask people to basically enter their email in order to receive a 10% off on their next 7 orders. So this is something which I like, which we got an idea from Uber Eats only. So this is how we actually applied to this. And then we have like the social icons over here. So one could actually go to the social platforms, or the like the social media basically like platforms which we have actually created account on. And then we have like the payment option over here. So one could actually like pay through these methods in order to purchase anything from our store. So this was the home page. One thing I wanted to show over here was like we have like a chat bot option over here. So one could basically like enter their tracking number and track their order directly. They can also like search for some quick questions over here, and they can basically search anything in general about like the store or maybe whatever they want to order. So now I will move on to the menu page. So on menu page we have like the menu of the whole store. So like of each and every country. Like we have created this on Figma. And then we have like the allergens. So we also wanted to make sure that we present to them the allergies, and we make sure it is basically a disclaimer to each and every person that yeah, like we have these allergens being used in these particular products we have added to the store. So each and every product there have been like added some allergens, which one could actually go through. Now I will move on to the hampers page. So on hampers page we have like a different combination of like different products together, bundled together. So one could actually like go order these hampers as well, and it would be obviously cheaper rather than ordering like single items and adding them together and check out like checking out together. If they were to actually individually add each of the products, but they would, if they would go for like these hampers, they would first of all get like all the products which they would actually want, and then on top of that it would be like a beautiful packaging. So this was like the hampers page. They could also like purchase this thing. So this is basically the product page for the hamper page. I will just move on to now the about us page. So about us page is basically where it mentions what our story is. Like it basically mentions that yeah, like what our mission statement is. It basically says that like it is established in 2021. Then the mission statement is here. Then the locations are being also mentioned over here. So this is like what we have got from the client. Then all of these things basically over here. So you can go through this. Now I will move to the order page and show you like the product page and everything. So this is basically the collection page, and on collection page we have like each and every product over here. And if I go to like home page, and if the person wants to select, let's say, Japan, all right, they are only going to be displayed Japan's products, like the products which are actually from Japan, and we have like a brief description over here for each and every country. So one could actually like go for, let's say, Italy. They get description for Italy and some products over here from Italy itself. So now what I will do is I will add one of the products to cart. So this is basically the product which I'm going to add to the cart. So it's tiramisu. It basically displays like a cut pricing as well. So in order to compare like the discount which we are actually providing at the store. So it's 14.99 GBP. They can select the quantity, how much they want, and if they want to view like product allergens and store menu, they can just click on this button and they will go to basically this page. Now if I go back and go through the product page, we have first of all the add to cart button. So once they click on add to cart, basically it opens a drawer, and just like if they click on add to cart, they also like are presented with an offer that if they add one like this hamper right over here for 134.99, they will be basically getting a discount of 10 pounds over here. So they one could actually like add this to the cart as well, or maybe like skip the offer. So if they skip the offer, here we have got like the cart button. I will come back to this later. Then we have like the buy with Apple Pay. So if someone uses Apple Pay, they can directly like buy with this button. Then we have like more payment options. They can basically, this basically takes to them to the checkout, which I will come this back to this later. Then we have like a countdown over here. So the 20% discount is valid for these many minutes in order to just create like an urgency. Then we have the description of the product over here. Then we have the nutritional value of the product. So per 100 grams, this is mentioned like what all ingredients have been used. Like not the ingredients, but I would say like what is the nutritional value. Then we have like the customer reviews over here. Like a customer could actually like write their review over here just by mentioning everything. So I just we have over there here, and now this is like another section. You must try these. We have like other products as well. They can have a look at. So now I will go through the checkout of this particular product. So if I just go to cart, click on checkout. Here we go to the checkout page. This is created on Shopify, obviously. Now what I need to do is like if someone has like a 20% discount offer going on, they can just add first 20, and it will be automatically applied 3 pounds of discount, and it will be now 11.99. But for the sake of just like checking it out, checking out and like showing you like how it's working, I'll just add like a 100% discount coupon. So this is the 100% discount coupon. So if like a 100% discount coupon is there, then the payment of course is not required, and the payment options get disappear. Basically they disappear. So I'll just like enter my email over here in order to basically order this particular thing. I'll just use this particular thing. I'll just enter a random address, whatever it is going to be. 1, 3, entering a random address over here, and then I'll just enter any random phone number. So complete order. Once I click on complete order, it basically takes you to the thank you page, and it says that your order is confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email with your order number shortly. So they one can also like check this box, and they will be subscribed to like the newsletter again with the email which they have provided. Now if they click on continue shopping, they're taken back to this page. We also created like refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and contact information pages here, like for better trust. Now one more thing I wanted to show you in this particular, like on this particular store, was the login option over here. So if someone has created an account, so one can create an account over here, and they can log in with that name and email and whatever they have provided to basically store them information to the store. So if I just create an account over here, okay, if it says basically they have sent like a confirmation email to the, like confirmation email in order to basically confirm the account to my email. And once I confirm with that, I can use those login details to basically log into the account and store my information from here. So this was like the brief overview on what we have actually created. So I'll be going through the backend and everything in like the next videos on the channel. So thank you very much.